Hi, I'm Jared Hamre with the Hamre Group at Rovithis Realty. Welcome to my newest listing at 45 Colonial Condominiums in Agawam, Massachusetts. Follow me inside for a personal tour. Welcome to the private backyard here at 45 Colonial in Agawam, Massachusetts. I hope you enjoyed your personal tour. If you have any questions about this listing or any other listing, please contact the number below. Here at Rovithis Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.